Let's create a fun 4th of July handprint craft product to sell in our Etsy shop. All right, so let's get started. I like to take a handprint from a previous project and then I'll use it to design around. That's one of my favorite tips to give to people. So there's one of my handprints. I'm going to go here and I really want to do an Uncle Sam inspired handprint craft. So I type in Uncle Sam hat. I go to graphics and I see this one here. There's also this one here. It's the same graphic. I'm going to use that because it's like a coloring page element. So it could also be a coloring project. And then I will do this. And then what I will do is I've really gotten into lately the kawaii handprint. The kawaii face for different projects. So you can type in kawaii face. So I'll probably put this here. Or maybe I'll do eyes that are closer together, black and white. Just so when they put the handprint over this, it doesn't make it look weird or anything. So there's that. Okay, so then I have my little hat. And I can also, if I want, since I have a good amount of space here, I could do maybe 2 side by side, and it could be for both hands. So I'll take that and I'll center that. And then I'll flip this guy over. And then maybe I'll make the hat just a little bit smaller. So we have that one, and we have this one. And then I'm going to see if I can change this handprint to blue. So I can do a blue one and a red one. I do that under the edit image function. And then I want to make these little handprint people a little higher. I'm going to center this. And then I'm going to do my text. Add a text box. And then I'm going to do a font that's a more of a display font. See what this looks like. That's not good enough. I'll do block. I think block will be good. And I will choose something bold and blocky. I'll use words like fat, stuff like that. Okay, and then I'm going to change the effect to hollow. Maybe round would be better. All right. Let freedom ring. And then what I'll do is I'll take this and then I will make the line spacing closer together. And then I'll make sure this is the font of my dreams for this project. I think that's pretty good. And then that will be my 4th of July handprint craft that I will sell in my Etsy shop. And the product that I will deliver will be, I'll duplicate the page and I'll get rid of these so that that can be the template that people use to fill in. Have fun.